What if the very sand that scorches you by day becomes your savior by night? In the vast Sahara, nomads have unearthed an extraordinary survival tactic, using sand dunes as shelter. When icy winds come without warning, these dunes provide warmth, serving as natural barriers against biting cold. By strategically digging into these dunes, nomads create insulating nests, conserving body heat and ensuring survival through harsh nights. This ingenious use of nature's resources exemplifies how understanding your environment can be the difference between life and death in extreme conditions. Remember, in the wild, it's not just about what you carry. Sometimes it's about where you seek refuge.